Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to remove your credit card or debit card from Amazon. So first thing that you should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for amazon.com so that you'll be able to see their website. And once you're here, you just have to log in or sign up for an account. All right. Then after that, you have here this account and list options. So you simply click on this one. So you have these options right here under your account. So you have your orders, login and security, gift cards, your business account, and of course your payments. So here you can view all of your transactions. You can manage your payment methods and settings. So click on this one. That's right. And then you have here now your credit card or debit card. So click on the edit option that you can find here. After that, click on the remove from wallet option and then click on remove to confirm your action. Once you're done, your card, debit card, credit card will now be removed from Amazon payment method. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.